This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Leon McDaniel. This generously sized home offers 3 separate living spaces, a formal dining room, and a sunny breakfast area, plenty of room for everyone to spread out and enjoy. Featuring a split floor plan with 3 large bedrooms, it's perfect for privacy and comfort. Step outside to a large fenced yard, ideal for all your activities, and entertaining under the Florida skies. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity in Rockledge. More pictures coming soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Leon McDaniel at 321-480-0548.